One, we're about to show you the best way to get some golden agony. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Cyberblocks video. In today's video, guys, we are gonna be spending the 2.1 billion fantasy coins we have to unbox some pets. But that's not the main reason why we're unboxing the pets. Today we are gonna be showing you the best method or the best fusing recipe to get golden agonies. And by the way, guys, I am giving away a rainbow agony and 1 million diamonds, so please make sure to leave your username down below, like this video, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to stay tuned so when you get notified when I upload the giveaway winner video. But now let's get to the unboxing, and I'm gonna time lapse this out so you guys don't have to wait. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna mention that you will need a ton of golden will-o-wisp for this, and you can do golden skellies and golden ghosts, but you will definitely need some will-o-wisps. So okay, so we are with some people here, right here. So we are with Ratatouille God. I don't know how to pronounce your name. We got Quantum Juds, then we got Parrot, then we got Kais. So in the unboxing, let's just go through what we got. So we actually got 2 golden shadow griffins and a ton of will-o-wisps. That's what we need for this. And we got a ton of other pets which we'll be giving away as a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So Parrot just said hi, YT. Sorry if you didn't get that, but now let's go to the fusing machine, which is in the beach. So we are going to the beach. And by the way, this is the best and cheapest way, okay? And there's a 50-50 chance, so I'm gonna be deleting some pets, okay? And I'm gonna be unequipping every single pet that I have. Okay. Now are we ready, guys? In 3, 2, 1, we're about to show you the best way to get some golden agonies. So first thing you want to do is select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will-o-wisps and click fuse, okay? Now this is a 50-50% chance. So we got Jimmy. What? We got Jimmy. What's Jimmy do? What's Jimmy though? Wait, is Jimmy actually good? Okay. So this is a chance, I believe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got a Milo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a like, see, that's the rainbow. That's the golden agony. So this is proof that this works. So I believe there's another way. It's 1, 2, 2 ghosts, 2 reapers, and 2 will-o-wisps, and there's a chance, I believe. So why are we getting everything named Milo? I don't know. But we got 1 golden agony with that, with 2.1 billion gems, which is pretty crazy. So guys, I'm gonna be giving stuff away. I do not need all these golden pets, so I'm gonna be giving stuff away. So let's go to the rainbow infuser thing. to make some rainbows for these guys and give it away to them. And by the way, these are 100% free for them because I do not need them. And you guys can win a rainbow agony if you just subscribe and like this video and put your comment your username down below. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video off here. You can be in my videos if you just follow me in game, or drop a username down below. The giveaway winners will be added just as a reminder. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to stay bloxy. Bye guys.